Can you sell your property as is and not do any repairs? The answer is absolutely. You definitely can make a sale as is. Now, the only thing is, are you gonna get a different price than if you do repairs? Hey guys, it's John Walker with the Walker Group and Keller Williams Realty, and I wanted to talk a little bit about the difference between selling a house as is in the current condition, or if you do some repairs to make it better. Now, you don't have to do repairs on your house in order to sell it. You can definitely sell it just like it's sitting right this moment. However, you may not get near as high of a price. And so it's totally up to you if you want to sell it as is, but you may only get offers from investors or cash buyers, and that's going to change the price significantly. Now, we can come out and take a look at your property and advise you on what you need to do in order to sell it to an investor and leave it as is, or how much more you may get if you fix your house up to a condition in which it will finance. Now, when we say finance, what does that mean? It means that in order to get the best price for your house, it needs to meet a certain criteria to pass loan inspection appraisal from FHA, Rural Development, and VA. And if you can get it to the condition to pass those standards, you'll be much better off on a price that you get for your home. So I hope this helps. Like I said, we're more than willing to come out, take a look at your property, and tell you the things that you should do and you shouldn't do in order to get the best price. And that's absolutely free. We don't charge anything to do that. So send us a message, give us a call, and we'll be here. Our number is 318-794-6769, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks, guys.